Hey, in this video, I'll show you a very simple way to fix your Amazon account and basically do not buy anything on Amazon until you turn these settings off. So you want to first go on Amazon, then hit the like button because it really helps me out. Then click the three dashes at the bottom right corner and you want to head over to your account. From your account, the first thing you want to do is you want to check some information right here. First of all, the first one is advertising preferences. So you want to click on advertising preferences and you can click on personalized ad preferences and basically see show personalized ads. You probably want to have this on so that way Amazon knows what to show you. If you don't, you can actually switch on and off some of these interests. Next thing you want to do is you can check your ad library, or then you want to go to your shopping preferences, which is under personalization, should be right here, shopping preferences. And here Amazon might have a few things saved for you, like your height, weight, age group. You probably want to have these enabled so you can get the right size. You can also fill up some of your interests and so on and so forth. The next thing you want to do, and this is how it will look like right here. The next thing you want to do is you want to go back and you want to delete your browsing history. The next thing is advertising preference, your recommendations. So your recommendations should be somewhere around here. Let me check this out. Here it is. Your recommendations. For me, it doesn't load because it's a new account, but it will have recommendations. If you don't like something, just delete it. And then you want to manage your Amazon app camera images, which is actually right here. So you want to click here and delete Amazon app camera images. And that's basically all you have to do. Hit the video with a like. See you next video.